I'm writing code in a local directory on my computer, instead of using a paid AI assistant, copying and pasting my code to a browser, or using a cloud plugin. I just type my local AI right here in my terminal and my AI assistant is at my service. I'll ask, "Hey Qwen, how to implement a read file feature so that you can read my local files?" And yes, it almost instantly came up with a sound answer. I'll say, completely offline, 0 subscription fees, and 100% private, running locally. Here is exactly how I built it, the architecture behind it, and what I will do next. We all love to use mainstream premium AI coding assistants. But I have 2 concerns, which I'm sure you have too. First, the cloud tax. Paying $20 a month for different AI subscriptions adds up. Second, and kind of more important but often overlooked, privacy. If you are building a proprietary product or working on a sensitive client codebase, sending entire files to external AI providers is a massive risk. In my previous job, it was totally banned because of the regulations. So we ended up buying a bunch of GPUs and spinning up our own models. I wanted something that lived in the command line and utilized the massive leap we've seen recently in small local LLMs. So I built an intelligent terminal companion in Python. The architecture is elegant and lightweight. First, we have Ollama, running as a local background daemon. This part is important, otherwise our assistant won't connect to the model. Ollama acts as our engine, managing models, quantization, and exposing a local REST API. Let's download and install Ollama. Go to their website and open the download page. Choose the right one for you and hit download. Then install it on your computer and open up a terminal window. Type Ollama H to see if it's installed. After installing successfully, let's pull our model. For this, we are going to use Qwen 2.5 Coder 0.5b. Type Ollama pull, then run the model to see if it's working. Everything is great, so let's jump back at the code. We use Qwen 2.5 Coder 0.5b. 3 billion parameter model is far superior and I advise you to use that, but for tutorial purposes this one is enough. I also used the stream parameter of the Ollama client. Without streaming, you'd be staring at a blank cursor for 4 seconds waiting for the full response. By iterating over the response chunks and printing, we get that satisfying immediate typewriter effect as we are used to seeing in premium models. Finally, we tie it together with a simple Python script. It acts as the brains, catching terminal inputs, communicating with the model, handling conversation history, and so on. Also, there is a small step to take in order to call this AI from terminal directly. Add an alias like this, and you can just type my local AI and start the service immediately. This can also be added as a global alias, but I won't do that right now. Now, let's talk about what I have in my to-do list. As a first feature improvement, I would like to see the conversation history. So I'm thinking about creating a basic text file and updating it periodically so that I can have the full conversation history at the end of the chat session. Then as a second feature, it would have been great if my AI assistant were context-aware, meaning it can read files in my current directory and answer my questions based on them. Right now, I can have this effect by copying and pasting my code, but of course it's not feasible for large projects. If you want to spin this up on your machine right now, it takes less than 60 seconds. All you need to do is pull the model from Ollama, drop this 60-line script into a folder, and map an alias inside your current directory pointing to your virtual environment's Python binary. I've put the entire clean, documented script on GitHub completely free. You can find the repo link in the description below. If you like seeing the entire development process, clean architecture, and more behind building real AI applications, hit subscribe and drop a comment letting me know what feature we should add to this next. See ya in the next one.